It is a beautiful one. I've taken from One Small Six ethi ngeke ngisuke kuwe nje sumsakazo kwamba phambili Nanda 88.4 FM today's base radio coming to you live from Nanda Community Safety Center. Uhlelo asilungiseni umsakazo sethi nje iNanda 88.4 FM today's base radio. Right ke sekufikile ke leso sikhathi sesiphinde sahlangana ngomusa kaNkulunkulu sephinde futhi ke umdali wayenza wasenzela ke umusa wakhe ukuthi siphinde ke futhi ke sihlangane sibe ndawonye khona la emsakazweni iNanda 88.4 FM today's base radio. Isikhathi la khona ke siqoqa khona ulwazi, isikhathi futhi nala khona futhi sibuyisa khona umuntu omnyama, la khona silungisa khona ke umuntu omnyama ukuze ke abe right noNkulunkulu wakhe abe right futhi ke nazo zonke nje izimo abhekene nazo, ngoba kwesinye isikhathi ezinye izinto ziyayibheke ziyengahambi kahle, kanti into esele nje ukuthi yini oyaziyo, into ekubambile ukuthi yini oyaziyo noma iluphi ulwazi olunalo, and lento oyaziyo iyakwazi ukuthi kubambe empilweni, ungahambi ungakhuli ungafinyeleli ku destiny yakho ngoba uhleli nalolu lwazi olufishane olwaziyo. But the more you know, the more ukwazi ukuthi ufinyeleleke kuma destinies akho. So nje do stay tuned. Uhlale nathi ke kusolala ihora ke from 9 kuze kushayona ke u12. Ama guest ami ke akhona khona la emsakazweni iNanda 88.4 FM today's base radio. But before I introduce, angesenze nje
cause language and discussions of religious beliefs, ways of life, and those of sexually suggestive nature. These may seem offensive to sensitive listeners, and parental discretion is strongly advised.
Like today, equally to 50,000.
Right, to give Sakazo Kaba from Bilinanda, 88.4 FM today's base or radio. Something nje wazisho yabona ke usabra wazisho nalela ngikhona, and our goal is 50,000, not 50,000 ke lo imali Nkosi yami asinayo imali.
Yeah, Bundesländer were asking for people we are looking at 50,000 listeners, which are what together and share the knowledge.
Yes.
Then whatever goes beyond 50,000, that's the grace of God, and we shall embrace and accept it. Because we are informed by technology, which let's have a goal. Our goal is 50,000. So continues beating us and hurting us, beating us and hurting us.
Yes.
So looking at 50,000, and the topic today is religious psychosis. Which was a correlation between spirituality and men,
yes,
and how this interrelate to psychosis.
Yes.
Mina ngizobheka neurological affiliation ukuthi when nerve system yakho, how do you perceive God? How does your nervous system perceive God? We look at neurodiversity, abantu aba neurodiversified, sibheka ama neurotypical, abantu ekuthiwa ba normal. Laba ama neurodivergence, abantu mhlawumbe abantu ADHD, bipolar, BPD, borderline personality disorder, bese kuba ilabantu abanjani mfundisi, autistic people, how they perceive and think of God. Yeah, those are neurodivergence.
Yes.
Yeah, bese siyakulaba bathi bana normal according to social standards. Now ngicala wena mfundisi usiguide ukuthi according to God standards, who are the normal people? Ngoba laba ba neurotypical they're not. According to God standard, ba create a social education system, a anthropological social system.
Yes.
And those systems, by the way, are not blended within the religious.
Yeah.
They are not aligned to the religious.
Yes.
Or how would I put it, to the spiritual.
Yes.
Example.
Yes.
Khona abantu abaningi ababengamfuni umuntu ekuthiwa Friedrich Nietzsche. He would say God is dead. And the whole world was offended. Now, but Friedrich Nietzsche mase chazela uthi ku stupid gabo thaba ukuhlala nomuntu odla ukudoti. Ubusudla na etafuleni.
Yeah.
Yabo. Udla ukudla rubbish. Ebese zohlala nawe etafuleni. Yipi into enengqondo thabo enizoyidiscussa?
Yeah.
The fact that ufundile is a professor again, it means nothing. The truth is with Dagwa, you've got bad relationship with food. So immediately uber skeptical of your thoughts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, I guess ithatheke thinking of Fred Misha bo sibeke kumuntu othi uyakholwa. Ngizoba accommodate nabantu abasontayo. Now, sibuye kanjena baningi abantu abasontayo abangakholwa and baningi abantu abakholwayo.
That's a fact.
And bobabili abantu ngicela siba accommodate asiyeke ukujudge abantu abasontayo. There is a reason abantu that they go to church. Ake nginikeze a psychological reasons why people go to church. Scarcity of cultural diversion. Lack of connection, isolation and loneliness. Ezinye zezinto ezenza ukuthi abantu baye esontweni. That is why the church was forced to borrow from kwaito, borrow from jazz, borrow from secular music to keep these people enkonzweni, you know that. Just no kwekwe, just no kitty dance, yabo kuyadanza indaba okudlala manje esontweni yabo. So abantu abaningi ke baya ngoba bayazi ukuthi kulesonto kuzobe khona umfundisi umthelezi uyichweche uyayishaya then they'll go there, you know. Bese kuba khona abantu abakholwayo, abantu abakholwayo who believe in God, who wants to set God standards ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ubathola mhlambe ko Roman Catholic Church, bakhona ko SDA Seventh-day Adventist, where the principles and the doctrine ubathole kuma section omusa sono, ubathole la eThekwini bakhona le eThekwini. Take for instance Hillcrest Church, Point Church. There's little music, in fact.
Yes.
The word becomes the pinnacle of ukuza kwakho. They specialize in attending to your spirit. Bese kuba khona ke the traditional church. I'll use the word tradition, though I don't want to use it in Mfundisi.
Yes.
Why do I call it tradition? I call it tradition because they apply cultural segmentation. Ake ngiphinde mlaleli. Bathatha ukholwa ngoku revise ubuzwe nobuntu bakho kube i-foundation ukuthi egcineni
Africanism.
Almost like Africanism again kune igenge yakhona.
Yeah.
But asithi nje sithi ubuntu ngoba ubuzulu, ubupedi, ubuxhosa bu-associated nobuntu or Africa Central. Ngoba khona amanye ama-Africans who don't embrace ubuntu. Yeah. Abanenye definition. Then there's about the biggest one, the Pay As You Pray movement. Pay As You Pray movement, baya enkonzweni expect ukuthi one day God will bless me ngemoto ngendoda indoda ezongithanda esinengane mhlawumbe noma ingaba nezingane ingaba broken noma nami ngi-broken emelo nemali but would embrace my brokenness. Or usisi who love my brokenness engizodampa ingane zami kuyena abe uma wazo mina and then continue with my life. So Pay As You Pray movement has accommodated that. So bonke labantu emfundisi baphethe ama doctrines angafani.
So your prayers are only answered, noma your needs are only answered ngephakethe lakho. Yes,
you pray, you pay, and then look at your prayer, and then you expect that Pay As You Pray will then yield outcomes in terms of rewards for your prayers. Ukuthi le mali ephaketheni lakhe kaNkulunkulu akuyona yakho neza uNkulunkulu imali yakhe. So the Shumfus also take a Mercedes Benz, sports car, Range Rover, Lumina, and have a house and a myriad of beautiful women around him. The sector in Musa Unaga intends on Mfundisi, pray for him. More into a wrong guy inside your course, logo pray for Mfundisi work. So today with that saying, is that not a psychosis, a human psychosis now? Yeah, that's what it is. So that once I'll let you take over, mina ngizobe sengaqhubeka ke sekuya neurological spectrum. Shooting ngizobheka lapha neurodiversity, ngizobheka ama neurotypical. Which lo muntu o ADHD, on autism, or bipolic, on psychosis nje ethi. Yena umphesiva kanjani umdali wezulu nomhlaba?
Kwaqhuma amabhomu in the first 30 minutes. Sabo Sambothi sikubikelele sikwamukele emsakazweni Inanda 88.4 FM.
Besingakabingeleli konje. Hayi umdala evumile sikhona namhlanje sasithema ivumile siyokuba khona siyabonga kakhulu kumdala weinsuku okwazile ukuthi asigcine siphinde sihlangane futhi. Umyaza ngathi wayekhona last week kade engekho sikhuluma lento le kwase recap yena waphinde futhi wazohlahla indlela yanamhlanje engathi sesihleni naye la wavele wayichana yabo manje amaXhosa uyichanile uyibambe khona njengoba last week sasikuyona lento i religion nokuthi isetshenziswa kanjani aba amaqola ukuze bakwazi ukuthi balokhuze ayona into embi njoba echaza umyeza ukunjoba abantu beye uthe khona abasontayo khona abanjani
khona abantu abasontayo
khona abakholwayo
ngase ngithi mina we are not judging, we are saying let's embrace them. Ukuhlala esontweni for 20 years thaba ngithi usonta then bese kuthi after 20 years sesontweni busufikelwa as this claim umoya engcwele bese ke uyaqala ke usukuthatha serious okwenzayo, but it took you a full 20 years for you to come and accept Jesus,
to awaken
to the reality ukuthi usenele
sonke lesikhathi
akusho lutho ukuthi ugcina ungayitholanga indoda ngicela nje uthi usuningane ezu4 ezakhona la ngaphakathi, that means nothing, but okuhle indawo ephephile obuphephele kuyona obuphephisa umphefumulo wakho isesontweni.
So akuyona njengoba ichaza umyazi akuyona ifault yabazalwane uma bephethwe isigebengu isigebengu suke sibone ithuba sasesiyalisebenzisa ukuthi no labantu ngizobabamba ngegama lika Jesu, labantu ngizobabamba ngokuthi into kaNkuluNkulu le ubaboneke bese ke kuba no praise you pray umuntu uya sincerely lapha ya ethi uyaNkuluNkulu uyokhonza uNkuluNkulu kanti yoba nje upraise you pray bese ke imshaya ke sayikhosisi akaboni yena ukuthi uyaprogramwa la aprogramwa afakwe kule program umuntu agcineke eseyisisulu kube ngeyona inhloso ukuthi abe isisulu yena bethi ufuna uNkuluNkulu then ke after I want umuntu ya wake up ke avukele uNkuluNkulu, but into endala le last week bese ikhuluma lento ukuthi no lento iyaqala kudala ngabo Constantine ngabo ubani ukuthi bathathe inkolo bese beyenza ithuluzi lepolitiki bese ke kuhamba ka but ke masibuya ngale indabeni so bese singena kahle kuyona.
Alright, kumsakazo khamba phambili Inanda 88.4 FM today's Space Radio coming to you live from Inanda Community Safety Center. Alright ke yabona sekushubile already. Ngiyabona futhi nala ku WhatsApp sebengenile lapha na ke uSizwe Zondi Kakashi lapha na ke from Eclair State. Good morning, it sounds like a good topic. I'm tuning in right now as we start this informative discussion. Asibizene nabanye bese shila umyeza wathi 50,000 abeza abantu.
Nazi izindaba zinanda 88.4 FM sinika ulwazi neqiniso.
Alright, umsakazo khoma phambili Inanda 88.4 FM today's Base Radio omagugu bathi sizoxwayisa right ke siyizithunywa singobaba umyeza sithunywa singothabo Sambothi. Some interesting discussions popping out here khona la umsakazo Inanda 88.4 FM today's Base Radio. Alright ke siyaqhubeka Thabo Sambothi.
Undisi. Awe, sorry.
Yes.
Sesengana umsebenzi wakho.
Yeah.
Akho kumoshela umsebenzi. No, asibonge siqhubeke. Sikhumbuza abalaleli njalo ukuthi sikhona lapha ya ku Facebook asilungiseni ku live uzosithola Inanda 88 Inanda FM TikTok uzosithola omunye TikTok uthini
Ndabe Ndabe 15
o TikTok baningi live
sengenza WhatsApp 0687649969
sengenzela ukuthi umlaleli olalele ku radio akwazi ukutshela umuntu okude nala kudonsa khona Inanda ukuthi hey vula TikTok lapho uthi Inanda FM vula uFacebook live lapho uthi asilungiseni uzolwiza uhlelo otherwise ka download the app yeNanda FM uzokwazi ukuthi asithola no le nto le ye religion kakhulukazi ngisho ngoba amaKristu aphatheka kabi ukuthi nalo niyakhuluma ngeChristianity sokhuluma ngani waphela iyona enkulu.
No, we should talk about it.
Iyona enkulu iyona dominating.
Yes.
So as
it's important ukuthi sibe aware of izinto izinto.
Yes, so iyona dominating la kubantu abamnyama kakhulukazi sitheka kancane Islam last week sathi phohlo just ngoba nayo ikhona sathi phohlo kancane ku Islam senze imfanekiso ngakhona, but all in all it's either Islam or iChristianity. Lezinto izinto zethu, izinto zabantu abazala eAfrica, akubeke kanjani. iSaudi le iArabia la isila eAfrica, iPalestine le ila eAfrica, iGibhithe le lekhulunywa ngayo kwasuka khona zonke lezi zinto ila eAfrica. So into yini uyazi ngeke ngakhumbula omunye umfana la ngasekhaya usashona ngikhuluma ngaye kodwa vele bengeke ngibize ngegama kwantshontsha imoto kudala untshontsha imoto kanti imoto yomunye umuntu untshontsha imoto eThekwini kanti umuntu umnikazi wayo la emzinyathi la ngakasenga so yena usuka ngayo la eNanda ushona ngale mzinyathi hayi imoto ayibona imoto eyifanise na usayishintshile even kanti long base useyenza ishort base ayibona shwi hawu hey ngiyakuthola into ezafana imoto yami le kodwa xa ukuthi si short base awungakusasa same time futhi le moto shwi ayi athi ayimisa idlule ngozuku lesithathu ayimise ime umnikazi lo driver lo mfana wedriver wona lo muntu ayizolungimisile kusho uyangazi amathi umuntu ayicheck imoto ayakhuluma nathi hey lo imoto yami le ayamtshela nje kahle imoto yami ajuze ubone bese emlokhuza lento lokusithilanga khona into ayishutheke la phezulu yazena ayikhip athi yabo eyami le moto to cut a long story short wayithola kanjalo imoto yakhe into engizama ukulinganisa ngayo la ukuthi le Christianity esisiyibona njengamanje kwantshontshwa izinto zethu zase ziyaphendula njengemoto umuntu mayiphenge ngithe imoto ayilong base wayishintshwa yenza ishort base but umnikazi wayo still wayiclaim khona isi short base ngoba yayibode ehambe nale moto yabo izobuya ifix. So nalezi zinto esikhuluma ngazo esidla kweChristian ngangihlale ngizubaba Mapongo ethi we must decolonize Christianity ngimphikisa ukuthi singayidecolonize kanjani into yayivele iyakhela ukucolonize but ngaba ngakhumbula no but uqinisile ngoba bayintshontsha base beyenza ithuluzi lokucolonize yabo njengoba bayithatha ke olukhuza uConstantine ayiqala ngake lento even mawufunda iBhayibheli ipolitiki ayisiqali ngene isikhathi ithatha abaSaddusi nabaFarisi base besebenzela uhulumeni wamaRoma labo bantu against abantu bebacindezela ukuze uConstantine 313 AD enza iEdict of Milan ngoba ayipersecute amakholwa amaChristian ayicindezela wase yawavulela yena ukuthi amaKristu awangabe sacindezela wakhonza ngokukhuleka embusweni waseEurope. That was where the damage is. It came in. That's where the damage yenzeka khona ngoba relax amakholwa abathi uhulumeni asengena umbuso omusha kushuthi uyasithanda kanti ufuna ukwa absorber wafakela hence ebiza iconference ngo325 AD usebiza bonke ubavalele endlini useyakha ke le organized religion lesiyibona manje le Christianity esiyibona manje uhlanganisa istate nenkolo. Uyibona ngani lento ukuthi yakhiwa ke lapha ya uyibona ngokuthi ithe isuka yayisifaka amasiko izinto ezingekho biblical for example uChristmas Easter izinto ezingekho zaqhamuka ngaphi zafakwa kanjani zafakwa isikhathi istate sesihlangene nenkolo inkolo isiyenziwa ithuluzi lepolitiki laselenziwa kanjalo ukuthi abantu ke sebeya fakwa ke le psychosis ingakho babekwazi inkolo ukuthi ihambe ibulala abantu baphoqe ngenkani ukuthi benze izinto ezithile ngoba yayisiyithuluzi le politiki religion was a political institution emva kwalokho. So le nto yayisi spiritual trap uzo trap abantu ke manje ukuthi bangeneke kule trap le abayitshela ukuthi into kaNkuluNkulu iqamba iyeza izofika la eAfrica ifika vele ihlanikezelwe kodwa nala before babelani eAfrica Berlin Conference uzoyikhumbula uKing Leopold kubizwa iBerlin Conference laqala lapho bafundisa ukuthi no lizo weaponize iBhayibheli hayi manje sebekhava imingcele eAfrica esekuthunyelwa ama missionaries ukuthi awahambe iFrance ithumela wayo iBelgium ithumela wayo iEngland ithumela wayo wonke umuntu uthumela ama missionaries ukuthi awahambe ayolokho uyayibona lento ikhamba ama missionaries kodwa thunywe yini ipolitiki ayenye indlela labantu abezili ukuzofundisa abantu ngoNkulunkulu uze uyasho uKing Leopold kule ncwadi yakhe uthi ayikho into enizobatshela yona ngoNkulunkulu labantu ngoba bayamazi nina okweni ukuthi nambe niyobatshela ayithi baphethe sebephethe nezithombe bakhela isithombe manje lesi sikasizalo uthi nizobakhombisa ukuthi nangu uNkulunkulu abantu it's mass psychosis baya program manje uthi uNkulunkulu umhlophe so bona bayiluthi ihamba nento wayijwayele uyikhuluma ke lento umaya athi the twins of destruction isonto nesikole lezi zinto zayizocindezela abantu ngoba na inkolo sikhulumile la last week emfundisi sathi inkosi uJesu yathi umbuso the kingdom of God is within umbuso wezulu ungaphakathi kwena so the only thing lekade show Dimbane ethi umuntu kaSonto for 20 years then discover ukuthi ayisonke lesikhathi ngiyasonto kahle manje bese eba awakened usengena kwi faith ke manje faith in God why because usethola indlela ukuthi no man lento ngambe ngicinga le God is within I'm activate lo God within yena bese uyakwazi ukumsebenzela hayi lo okade lapha esontweni uthi usabathe unenkinga ngoba isikole sikuprogram ukuthini asikufundisi isikole ukuthi izimene sikufundisa ukufunda uhambe ufuna umsebenzi kena uzothola umsebenzi ongcono so it teaches you to be a better slave isikole asikufundisa ukuthi uhambe uyimali inkolo ngala nayo futhi ayikufundisi ukuthi imali ikufundisa ukuthi no wena uyobusa ezulwini so lezi zinto zombili nje bayithi umaya ama twins of destruction zakhiwa zinhle kodwa ibuzo zizokuvusa kodwa inhloso yaza khona ukukuvusa ukucindezela ukuthi ungavuki but abanye abantu within la systems labo bahambe bavuke ukhamba ke ilento ukuthi ungavumi ukuthi zikubophelela zikuvalele phakathi kuleli kopi funda yonke into umiyazi uphuma yonke indawo Islam uzokutshela la ukutshela ngeIslam uzokutshela izinto ngesiArab ngoba awuvumanga ukuboshelwa uthi hayi ungabheki kwenye indawo ireligion yenza njalo uthi lokho sokuyikona ukuphela kwakho akukho kunye that is where the mass psychosis of abantu yenzeka khona ukuthi abantu baprogram bafaka ukuthi ayikho enye into ekhona nje yile kuphela ngeke kuze uthuthuke mawunjalo ngeke ukwazi futhi ukuthuthukisa umphakathi whereas faith inkolo ngoNkulunkulu engakhelwe lokho enye into abayisebenzisa laba ukuthi if usukholwa ingakho kwase kunomphakathi wamabhinqa nomphakathi amakholo ehlale emission efundile bayibona ukuthi bangcono labantu ngoba nakho bafundile babe ne status esinono ngoba nabelungu futhi kuhambe ukuthi bona bafundile bahlale emission bese beba exempted sekuvela laba kuthiwa mazimthithi emthethweni eminingi ngindlala imlando njalo ukuthi le mass psychosis yenzeka kanjani babe bese beyibona bengcono kunabantu idivision ke leyo yabantu baqala abantu bayahlukaniswa bagrushwa ngani ngestatus ukuthi laba bangcono kunalabo ngoba umfundisi angifuni mina sikhuluma singadlule eBhayibhelini yokufakazisa lento esikhulumayo izenzo 2 verse 44 to 47 lithini
X2
44 to 47
yes
ithi bonke abakholwayo babe ndawonye bahlanganyela izinto zonke
yes
umphakathi ke lokholwayo ithi bonke abakholwayo ababe ndawonye bahlanganyela izinto zonke they live in communion baphila ezumphakathi wabakholwayo bathengisa ngemfuyo nangempahla babela bonke ngayo njengokweswela kwabo labantu babethi mase beyicommunity bese beya trade bese beyahlukaniselana la bonke ngokulingana akekho ngcono kunomunye uthi maye nakho ilento le engeke ngayibona lapha kaIsrael kunomphakathi ehlala kanjalo endaweni ekaIsrael ibizwa ngokuthiwa amakibbutz lezo indawo they live communal babe nama business benza imali ngayichaza leyo nto ngila ngithi le mphakathi yakhiwe lapha yabantu abakholwa kuthiwa amakibbutz labantu banikezwa $15,000 per month ukuphilani njengoba nihlenda ngathi mangiyibala le yamali ngonyaka ukuthi malini ngokuthi angithi njengoba beumphakathi ithi lana bathengisa ngemfuyo nangempahla lapha yangafica safica amadela umphakathi okholwayo banamadela banenkomo bathengisa inyama batshalile bana yonke iplaza kodwa labantu njengoba behleli so emalini isikhathi kudayiswa bonke akekho thola enkulu kunomunye banikezwe 15 ukuthi baphile bathi labantu kwalabo 15 sizobenzana ngoba sidlala ihleli leyo mali yabo banemali ba rich ubona amajude rich kanje but ngizama ukuchaza lento engenzekile la imihla ngemihla baqinisa nganhliziyo ethempelini bahleli bonke bayakhola kanye ethempelini bakholwa uNkulunkulu wabo bahlephula isinkwa ekhaya badla ukudla kwabo ngentokozo nangomhlophe ngenhliziyo bemdumisa uNkulunkulu bethandeka kubantu bonke inkosi iyenezela ebandleni imihla ngemihla abasindiswayo ngaleyo ndlela ke noNkulunkulu wababusisa wabaphilisa kahle bahlala ndawonye hayi ukuthi into engigcina ngokuyibonela labantu ke bathathe lento ela bayayenza practical manje umbuzo ke uthi lamabandla akhona enze njani ofaka imali zobona phezulu upray laba kade beshow ukuthi ingakho ngithe lento ngamanje kuzwakala engathi mhlambe siyahlasela but lezi zinto eseBhayibhelini nayi blueprint ithi amakholwa esikhathi ehlangene awahlanganisa ama resources to uplift themselves hayi lento ukuthi kuthatha imali kubantu abahluphekayo yocebisa umuntu oyedwa uthenga imoto wakhelwa imizi ahambe kuma holiday nezingane zakhe baye ko Dubai bayephi akuyona lento la yilona ke le econvertiwe eyenziwa psychosis ukuthi kudonywa imiqondo yabantu ukuthi abantu bahlale ba ama stage nasi isikole ngala sifundisa abantu sithi isikole basho njalo no so politics bonke get a good education so you will get a job security ingane ehleli nama degree namhlanje ekwenzeka ibe nenhlanhla ishayithile uyifica la emandeni eshayithile ne degree izokwenzani abanye bane depression ngokuthi manje une degree athi sengihlale 5 years ngine degree kodwa umsebenzi anguthola esontweni ingakho ngithe lezi zinto ziyahambisana esontweni khona kuthiwe ethandaza uzophumelela cabanga ko ne degree ngala kwathiwe ufunda ukuze uthole umsebenzi ongcono kodwa awutholi uya ngala esontweni lithi isonto thandaza ukuze uphumelele awu uyathandaza awutholi umsebenzi izokwenzakalani depression na yonke lento ke ekamiyeza ke le okuyena okwazi ukuyichaza ke eyenzeka lapho kodwa iblueprint yokuthi lento yenkolo intshontshiwa iseyona lento eyimele ukuthi ibe yiyona
asekho ku original
asisekho manje sesikuyilento ke le ephethwe ke amaqola aqola abantu ngegama lenkolo
and I think we did highlight about it even last week and ngengikhohle le VN le eyathi umfowethu bephila kahle inhluphe in fact leya verse nithi inhluphe the whole week miyeza wawongekho last week ithi umfowethu bephila kahle engakholwa ubengenazi ngisho ikwelito uthi manje usezazoboleka imali yokugibela kumina uthi ngize ngimbalekele because I know this person has money and imali yakho hamba uyispend esontweni and the teaching kaNkulunkulu ithi uNkulunkulu uzokubusisa okuthinta ngezandla zakho ngamanye amazwi if you read Deuteronomy 12 verse 8 uthi uNkulunkulu yokubusisa imisebenzi yezandla zakho ngamanye amazwi wena you must go and work it doesn't say uthandaza bese kuba khona ilentozi and ubani ozoshiya umndeni wakhe umyeze mela ashiya umndeni wakhe nonkosikazi wakhe azonikelela umthembo simply because I'm preaching no it shouldn't be like that. It shouldn't it's that's not akuyona inkolo lethi shiya umndeni wakho neglect umndeni wakho neglect izingane zakho
religious robbery
religious robbery. There's a lot that we need to address and umyezi bekhulumile lapha soke sikhulume ngokuthi what is a normal person according to God's standards and
must buya ngizofuna ukujoina exactly ngoba ufuna ukuhamba uthaba ufaka i-comma faka nge-full stop ngifuna ukuqhubeka la ke exactly ke
like
just to validate lokuza in terms of i-God standard of life.
Alright kumsakazo kwamba phambili nanda 88.4 FM today's base alright khona ke lapha insizwa bathi usama Jobe alright ke isiphatheleke izindaba zehora leshumi.
Nazi izindaba zenanda 88.4 FM zikunika ulwazi neqiniso.
Alright kumsakazo kwamba phambili nanda 88.4 FM today's base radio uhlelo asilungiseni umsakazo kwamba phambili nanda 88.4 FM today's base radio ishumi nanye imzuzu libombenelo nake ihora leshumi khona la umsakazweni nanda 88.4 FM today's base radio ukuthiwa ngisho kahle uma ngisisho ngesizulu nothi singisi. Alright ke WhatsApp line lapha ke it's 06876499969 06876499969 kade lapha ke ku TikTok @inanda 88.4 FM @inanda 88.4 FM kade lapha ku Facebook sasolokala ke @inanda 88.4 FM update @inanda 88.4 FM update. Right ke ukhona ke uThabo Saboti as well as ubaba Ndabedle Mnyezi from ekhoma siyaqhubeka bamndabedle Mnyezi.
So mfundisi ake sithathe ibrain yomuntu the human brain.
Okay.
If uthatha human brain uyibeka ngala ayike into ekwaziyenza static as it is just sitting there the brain does nothing.
Okay.
You can't give your brain any credit.
Okay.
And you owe nothing to it. It's just stuck there. But if you apply a mind into the brain,
okay,
what's the brain?
What's the difference between
ingqondo nobuchopho?
Okay.
Yeah, ingqondo nobuchopho.
Okunye is just a substance.
The substance nje.
Okay.
Ubuchopho. Ingqondo is your mind. Okay. Your mind.
Ingqondo. Lekwenza uqonde ukuthi uqonda ngayo.
Okay.
Yeah. So ngizama ukuthi ke nervous system plays a critical role. Engqondweni into ezukuthi uqonde. Now akasibheke kukhona abantu emfundisi siye sithi abantu neurodivergent abantu abanjengo bipolar abantu abanjengo autistic bese kuba khona igroup yabanyeka abanama psychosis. But how do neurodivergent people interpret scriptures? Mfundisi it changes due to our variations up and their cognitive styles. Ngizochaza ngesiZulu ngoba ngifuna ukujaha.
Yeah.
Ama individuals are neurodivergent. I prefer into ibe literal, icace. To even structure ne routine. Futhi ibe based ku religious framework enza isense with belief system yakhe. No, sorry, those are neurotypicals. Before ngeke kuma neurodivergent ngiqale ngama neurotypicals ngicela ukuphinde ngoba ngisuke ngacishe ngenze mistake ngithi ama neurotypical prefer to interpret according to this variable. It must be within their cognitive style, whilst neurodivergent individuals prefer ukuthi izinto zibe literal, zibe structured, kube ne routine, ama custom beliefs and traditional framework. Now, abantu neurodivergent on the other side, neurodivergent individuals find comfort in community religious structure. Bathanda ukubunganyela.
Okay.
Yeah. Kuculwe kube mnandi because that clears the fog for them. Bathi besuka umfundisi ba anticipate izinto ezokwenzeka. They don't like illogical exclusionary stuff because of their sensory activities. Amanye social rules abawafuni ngoba bawa understand it doesn't make sense to them. Whereas abantu neurotypical, they'll accommodate them even if they don't understand. Now, let's go to umbuzo oqala before siqhubeke. What is God's standard of normal? Uzongiphendula ke mfundisi not now. I guess here with different interpretation. I guess siqale kuma neurodivergent individuals. I was screaming at autism, Down syndrome. Kufanele kube clear. You can't say God is not a human being. Ubusuthi waseyasuka estaleni sakhe somkhosi. Uyamdida. Mfundisi wangilandeli. Angithi uyilawe nizokhuluma kwi-audience of neurodivergent people. Ubusuthi ongaphezulu konke akabonwa ngehlo ungumoya. Bese uthi kodwa siyambona sesukuma esihlalweni sakhe somkhosi ngoba eduze kwakhe kuhlela ubani indodana yakhe uJesu. They'll struggle with metaphors and abstract ideas. That's a metaphor and an abstract idea. But struggle kakhulu. You know, so already sumdidile. And for the bulk of ilokuza inchumeli yakho use lose track. And akasakulaleli kahle. That's a neurodivergent. So kufanele wena as umfundisi i-theological school ikufundise ukuthi uma uzo approach abantu aba neurodivergent udila kanjani ngendlela bona aba interpreta ngama scriptures. Now akasibheke kwi religious psychosis. Lo we religious psychosis akana clue. Sorry, lo umfundisi o religious psychosis akana clue. Uthi yena phela akadinganga esikoleni kwafika umoya engcwele. But throughout his sermon yakho uyamlimaza umuntu neurodivergent. You know, ebese umuntu neurodivergent ebe restless asukuma inkonzi ayohlala phansi ahamba oyimele ekhoneni because he's not following what umfundisi is saying. Hayi ukuthi stupid. Hayi umfundisi uthi ugula ngekhanda Nkosi yami. I-inability yomfundisi yini pho umoya ngcwele ungangeni kuyena umenza ahlale phansi focus. I-neurological makeup yakhe ayimvumeli. Right. Size kuma belief system. Abantu aba neurodivergent njengo bipolar psychosis kube autism they reject mainstream religious structure abakwazi kuyilandela abakwazi ukufollowisha le creativity ne belief system because they've got their own creativity banendlela abaperceive ngayo creativity and believe me it's never wrong abekho abantu aba intelligent njengabantu aba autistic. There are so many autistic people who are scientists.
Autistic as in like autism?
On the autism, yes. Bese kuba khona ama bipolar maningi yawazi bipolar music and so kanjani. Mariah Carey for instance is bipolic and many others. You know. Then ubusuya kwi comfort structure. Yena izinto zakhe kufanele inkolo nendalo ukuhlanganisa i-comprehension yakhe iya aphila kakhulu. Ake ngiphinde mhlanganisele inkolo nendalo and but kube ne routine and ungasabi ukuprovide i-explanation for that complexities ukuthi yini umdali umxube nendalo. Uyabona umuntu odivergent wena thaba ufuna ukuthi uma kunenkonzo kube namanzi kube nezihlahla you know. The sound of birds, trees, they trigger positivity Yeah, but in neurotypical inenkinga nje irritatewa ukhala kwenyoni yabo lo muntu esithi nomad uma wase ubeke a river stream esontweni as a decoration while umfundise lapha kwehla amanzi kanje siwezwe khala bazothi akavalwa but umuntu neurodivergent uzowa locus because of ama sensory challenges abo so if biorhythm the nature rhythm kuyahambisana kubona but strange enough umuntu normal kuyaclash right so therefore ngithaza ukuthi uma usuya kwi psychosis yini abantu ekuthiwa normal neurotypicals ba struggle kangaka ngoba abantu abanormal ayikho into abangastruggle ngayo yabo they end up scamming themselves where ambiguity ngizochazela ngesiZulu where ambiguity and mystery is concerned uma kunezinto abangayi understand they lie bathi imfihlo kaNkulunkulu as from when does God have secrets
inkinga yabantu labo ba short ba normal they are normal but they are not natural.
That's the problem. Abantu abaningi aba normal they're not natural. You know, so they create a stopgap where they don't have understanding. But I'll tell you a secret to Mfundis. Umuntu on neurodivergent has an explanation for that. You know, and as a result, what to Friedrich Nietzsche wathi inkolo vele into abantu abagula ngamakhanda and abantu they were offended. And then I said to myself, before I become offended to Friedrich Nietzsche, let me ask myself a question. What ulokuzo Karl Marx religion of opium?
Religion is the opium of the masses.
Of the masses, yeah. But in fact, abantu abadakwe insango because there are simple straightforward abasontayo la yabo imass ila udamage wenzeka khona so ngifuna ukuthi ke in explanation and expanding from Utabo udamage mfundisi nina kwi theology enibhekene nayo abantu abasontayo bayinkinga kunini bese kuthi laba abakholwayo bayi disaster for you. I'll explain why umuntu okholwa be disaster.
So abasontayo bayinkinga
challenge.
Okay, abakholwayo bayi disaster.
Yeah.
So there's no perfection here.
I know ngakuzuyinoka.
Okay.
You see khona manje let me talk about abantu abakholwayo. They are struggling with new thinking. You know, again ngichaze new thinking, not new age thinking because that is nonsense. Uyabo ukuthi umfundisi umyeza ngo1841 uhleli ongaphezulu konke esihlalweni sakhe segolide uphahlwe izingilosi noJesu.
Yeah.
Fast forward, the child of the 70s osefunde in neurological diversity and neurotypical wins the master's degree during research. They say no, those are metaphors. Metaphors akusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngempela uhlele esihlalweni sobukhosi. He doesn't see it, his spirit bese bemkhothela iverse eBhayibhelini abuye ezekubantu abakholwayo afika athi let's correct this thing. God is not anthropomorphic. Akayena umuntu akanawo ama feelings akanawo ama cognitives. So therefore asikho isihlalo sikaNkulunkulu. But then ukukhiphe lokho kepha using the Bible approve ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngaphakathi kwena bese beya offendeka abantu abanjani abakholwayo.
Yeah.
Bese kuthi abasonto babe confused. Now this is the narrative yabantu abakholwayo ekudlaliwe ngathi othabo madoda ikuphi fanele sikholwe kanti.
Yeah. Uyabona lento eyikhulumayo yala strict eyikhulumile ngakho siqhubeka nayo namanje khona abantu abangakuzwa ukuthi uthini. Ngalento yombili ngoba manje ba confuse impela yini inkinga phakathi kwalabantu okhuluma ngabo khona abathatha izinto
literalism. Yes.
Abangazi ukuthi ezinye izinto ziyimzekelo.
Yeah.
Now, who is the cause? Because we must identify. Number one, who is the cause of ukusonda?
System. yakhiwe
and call.
A system that was created to keep people asleep so that bezokontroleka kalula. Yeah. A system that was invented and created for people to sleep because kulula ukulida izimfu. Ubakubheka the things I like about Chinese. China akwazi ukulida amadada. You know, each China would have 1 million ducks as a farmer.
Yeah.
Right. There's a yellow big flag. Yabo iflag eliyelo.
Yeah.
Bese lihambe libeka umgqakazo lime phambi kanti lime kanje. Then umgqakazo amadada awu associate nokudla. Uyazi ukuthi lo China mfowethu likwazi ukuthatha amadata from inanda, let's say ezantsi kwaBesta kusuka nje garage lapha eBP ezantsi uze kuyoshaya ku freeway insimi rice eChina, so kufanele asuke lapha phezulu emtshebheni amadata efarm lakhe ayezantsi, yena uzovuka ekseni avula amahoko 10 doors aphume kanje avena phakamise le flag ahambe phambili azomlandela mfowethu ayoze ayofika insimini rice enzani insimini rice lapha adla ama cricket inyandle nazo wonke ama parasite lawa abulali rice. But they get protein from that. Ngicela the story this.
Yes.
They get what? Protein. Enza ukuthi akhule ngamandla inyama yabo ibe soft ibe rich in protein. Ntambama aphakamisa iflag. Enza umsila avena suka wonke amanyazandize ezekuyena ebese ehamba amlandele ngemuva aze ayongena awasakudinga ukudla aseyongena straight in their hands bese njani eyawavalela. You know, so aselinde in the morning la nda kuthaba ukuthi ngithe ngimlanda phi a system was created yasifaniswa nezimvu. Sheep don't reason, sheep don't think. Sheep don't reason, sheep don't think.
Yes.
Kwathiwa izimvu zakhe kuthi abantu abanjani abangacabangi abangadiscern
bayacatshangelwa bakwazi ukuyicabangela.
For almost 700 years the introduction of Christianity within our shores besicatshangelwa abefundisi
Berlin Conference
system
keeper la
don't allow them to think for them.
Are we not if we are taking this thing to abafundis, are we not taking this thing too near rather than going far as back as it denomination denominanism, because that's
no,
where that's where because
I was scared you're going to move there. Yeah. When you move there, you are now wanting to correct the damage from a theological perspective, because uthatha John Wesley or Martin Luther King, the establishment of denominationism babe ngezwani nama doctrines abasebefike kuona. They wanted to free themselves from or lokuza or Marco Polo and the thinking yabo or Saint Jerome or Saint Augustine. Ngizokwenza example, akasibheke umuntu okhoze disaster ku Christianity uSaint Augustine. uSaint Augustine, before he became a Christian, he was a Manchurian.
But there is
he was a Manchurian. Wa introduce one of the most bad doctrine yokuthi umuntu uzalwe enesono. This thing is not Christian, it comes from Manchurianism. Manchurianism is a Japanese religious structure.
Okay, but if you can just listen to me.
Okay, no,
a lot of the pastorism or a lot of what we see is influenced by denominationism.
I agree.
The source of what pastors preach is influenced by denominationism, and they agree on that. So if Tina City, if we're saying the damage is bafundis, and then we leave a denomination.
Uzama ukuthi ilento ebengibalekele ekuqaleni ukuthi asisho ukuthi abafundisi banjani yabo njengoba usuyi breakdown uyifaka kuma denomination isishilo sathi inking is system
Oh.
wonke lama denomination okhuluma ngawo ikufana nama political party wonke ifunding yayiqhamuka ndawonye
Yes.
yabo so baphethe umuntu oyedwa bonke labantu
Yeah.
same ke nale system whether you are Lutheran uyini you are governed by the same system.
Yeah.
The system esikhuluma ngathi ayimvumeli umuntu ukuthi akhululeke ayimvumeli umuntu ukuthi akwazi ukuthi prosper iyamcindezela
Yes.
wonke imapha amabandla owabona enalento ade ngikhuluma ngayo ngithi ngayibona kaIsrael ukuthi ane tract ukuthi njengoba liyisonto liqoqa iminikelo lavula ifactory lithatha ifactory liyenza isonto iliphe elinamaplaza elinamadela ukuthi sidla hey lapha njoba singena nje lapha ya siyothenga iyogurt ama Nazareth siyothenga ngoba phela bayiqoqa it's the system bonke benza into eyodwa ubaba umpelo ayihlala eyisho lento ethi usathana ngokwanyela asebenzisa igama
elizima it depends
it depends because it's the system
Mfundisi explain something to me kwaku wrong yini ukuthi at the beginning ama denominations at okay since we are moving to the mainstream of denominationism ayasenze nje uma uvula iPresbyterian Church ayibe nationwide nama farmer 100 let's produce Presbyterian milk to supply a supermarket. Bese kuthi iSDA iproduce ilokuza impuphu SDA protected maize ibe nama silos then bese iprovide so athi kuzophu abantu bezosebenza emasimini babuye bazodumisa on a prescribed Sabbath day of iSDA.
That is what we agree on. Umsakazo khomba phambili nada 88.4 FM today's best radio bengicela bakithi ngiyabona bayangena lapha na ke ku WhatsApp 0687649969 ngiyacela bakithi mhlawumbe ama voice notes sizama ukusummarize mhlawumbe at least 3 minutes to 4 minutes sizama nje ukuthi sithi nesibingelelo sethu nje uvela uqoqe nje konke and get to the point ingabi yinde kakhulu kusole sizokwazi ukuthi si-accommodate nesonke siyabonga umsakazo okhamba phambili nanda 88.4 FM today's best radio
Nanda 88.4 FM
right ke umsakazo okhamba phambili nanda 88.4 FM today's best radio coming to you live from Inanda Community Service Center umsakazo okhamba phambili nanda 88.4 FM today's best radio uhlelo lethu ke namhlanje ke nje sithi nje asilungiseni sibheka lapha ke nje i-religious psychosis sibheka lapha isimo somqondo nesokucabanga nesokuinterpreter nayo yonke lento le ukuthi sikuphi kahle ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi sihlaziye into okuyiyona sikwazi ukuthatha okungokwethu nokusifanele nokusilungele ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi ke sikwazi ukuthi into yethu siyidlayo isiphilise. Alright ke babumiyeza ubusaqhubeka la.
No bengithi let's look at 1 Corinthians 12.
Yes.
1 Corinthians 12.
Yes.
God is the one who arranged the body with many parts. Each needed and indispensable kusho ukuthi something that you cannot do without.
Okay, yes.
Yeah. Let's uzokufaka ehlathini zothi konke kunedingo. No. It's something that you cannot live without.
Yes.
Ingakukwazi ukuphila ngayo.
Yes.
Meaning to say abantu neurodivergent they don't struggle with God. They may struggle only with what I call developer existential theory of the mind. Why was I born? Why am I like this? You know that. Well, they might not ask those questions. I'm a neurotypical fan. They ask that question, but they don't have answers for that. Says who? Says who? That's the thing. If you are creating God in an image, if ever there are birth defects, then God is responsible. Then uzos further into the hotbed of the atheist. But the atheist, okay. Look at your God, therefore. Look at your God. This guy is judgmental. He's ridiculous. He's genocidal. And the next thing, he makes messes. His creative style is horrible. He creates Down syndrome. Then bese kuthi ikholwa hayi osontayo ikholwa libe offended bese kuthi lo sontayo ahleka athi yeah so you see that's the style of religion that is going on in South Africa. You know, now let's go back to common sense now.
lento engekho emakholweni
lento engeke emakholweni
Yeah.
you see ama evangelist ngiyakhala ngawo mfundisi sake sayikhuluma into sihamba nayo seshifa ukuthi ama evangelists afanele akabekwe phansi ancengwe you are not going to continue with evangelism without Christian empirical edict access bakwethu you know ngoba you are going to create a generation that is going to reject everything that comes from a Christian fold.
Yeah, we agree. Evangelism is a mess in many ways.
It is a mess in many ways.
Yes.
You see, abantu abayeka ukuzonda itheology.
Yeah.
Kukhona umnye umfundisi la ohlale attack uShembe ngizomusho ngoba phela is in the platform. Lo ohlale attack uShembe. Ngamkhotha isibongo sakhe
Umbatha.
athe kawonke umuntu ongavumelani naye
ubaba Umbatha uattacka yonke into.
Yeah.
Now he's a typical evangelist. You know, but ubaba Umbatha me attacker ufica ama shortcomings amaningi again. You know, so ngizama ukuthi ngamanye amazwi ubaba Umbatha in the next coming 6 years ayikingane zomthatha serious.
Evangelism is often associated with anger whilst it should be more love, but asikho love.
Psychosis.
It's
Psychotic.
No.
It's a psychotic.
Yeah.
Those are the first symptoms of psychosis.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because bonke abantu onaleli gama lesi evangelism, there's a lot of anger whilst it should be more
Okay.
life.
Akasichazeke ilokhuza ama evangelist is a psychological symptom.
Yeah.
They are vengeful. Banama grudge. They hate anything that does not come from their brain. They criticize everything they don't understand. I'm evangelic.
Sermons are more about izitha zakho.
Yeah. And
Why would you have izitha?
Gospel yabo inje noma bangangithuka noma sebehlebe ngami kodwa uNkulunkulu uzongiphakamisa. As if uNkulunkulu umuntu abantu aba helpless abama victim who don't need to think, who need to be raised and to be protected by him. Ngathi mina be careful of creating God in your own image. If you are disgusted, angry and resentful because utadeni ukuthathela indoda yakho, uNkulunkulu wakho uzoba vengeful, uzoba nolaka, unamagqubu and you attack udadewenu. Yet your scriptures say you must forgive your enemies. Siqhubeke. Uma political inclined we revolutionary kodwa uMkristu, this is how your God is going to look like. Your God is going to be an army God who fight wars, who win battles, and your thinking is going to be very Old Testament oriented. Yeah. uNkulunkulu ka uSujava sebawoto lwayizimpi, you know that.
Yeah.
Because your brain is fueled by politics, so your God is a political God. You know that.
Yeah.
I guess it if uthanda peace, uthanda
unothando,
uthanda ukubhukuda, uthanda ukumeditate, your God is more likely to be a peaceful God, sort of a Buddhist type of God who reigns in every aspect of nature and who likes peace, who doesn't like war, uthanda abantu abathandanayo, who's not materialistic.
So umuntu onatural ke le ngakhe ezoconnecta ne-nature, God in everything.
He sees God in everything.
Natural.
Yeah. But the evangelist ekuboni lokho kanjalo. Yeah. Inside the evangelist yona le eyakhama toilet eduze kwama river stream bese kuthi fecal material iphumelela phakana ndaba nalokho. Uvela tshela uhulumeni yini yathi umsebenzi wakhe. So he messes up so that the government can correct the situation. You see, here's the deal. Once if faith yakho ya contradict a social environment yakho, there's something wrong with your faith. Yeah. Now
disconnected.
It means it creates a psychosis. You begin to take more stupid decisions. Like an example. Here is a good school. Utabo is a principal. Bese kuthi othisha amahead uthisha omkhulu sambuthi sicela ukusilethela abantu abazomotivate ingane zethu. La esikoleni abafana baka grade 6 sebebhema insangu kanje you know, khona ingane edlonguliwe kwenzeka ukuthi say supporter umzali wasamthola i-psychologist yakhuluma naye nengane, right. I would have preferred ukuthi uThabo alande social work and in a comprehension of the neurological make-up of a community elisevayo. Angalandi social worker lasemnambithi, alandela senanda who grew up in this environment, who knows ama coordinates and how people think, olakela experience anabona ngisho crime yasenanda.
Okay.
Bese lizokhuluma yabo. Manje uThabo uyasho but ulande insizwa sanda kuphuma eyadlungulayo.
No, lawyer, I wouldn't. But what would you say to a social worker who has been studying inside and who has groomed himself to be a speaker, who's been groomed to speak to people?
Oh yeah, but content
so ngamanye amazwi i-content yakhe is from, I guess it, for example, is i-content yakhe iqhamuka ne internal experience.
Yeah, angithi ukhulele kephi?
Ukhulele Nanda.
That's it.
And then unama experiences nama
yes.
was nama consequences of what
useke wa witness on the form of crime yasenanda.
Exactly.
Ngiyavumela mfundisi.
Yeah.
Ngihamba now.
So even nama consequences uzobatshela ukuthi le ndlela eniyithathayo ngeke ngayithatha and these were the consequences.
And this is
ushona lento esho umyeni.
Yeah.
No, siyavalidate. Then uyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Yeah.
La uthetha umbulali because there's been murder around ingane sesiyasaba anxiety. First you bring in a psychologist. No, first you bring in somebody ozocomfort ingane. You bring in a psychologist first elizokhuluma today. The following day bese ulanda ingane or an organization sikhulisa abafana le ingane azikaze ziboshwe but they're speaking to prisons zizokhuluma ziwonishe abantu nama experiences zabo abawabona ngesikhathi behambela amajele. But for you ukulanda umuntu owadlwengula ingane ezifunda kule skole ukuthi azokhuluma lana, it shows the lack of Christian value.
No, that's insane.
You are in fact you are giving a middle finger to the people that suffered. You can't on mem babambe ingane zibuka pornography. Why would you bring a porn star zokhuluma lana? You are validating her. Uzothesuka be social media ethi yes I was a porn star, I've found Christ nekole ziyangibiza ngizokhuluma because ingane ibuka porn star. Believe me, 77% of the student board ibusuku uzonjani tap uzongena kumali yokuza babukile ukuthi ama video akhe. So what was the help?
Okay. Right.
More views.
That's the thing. He then begins to get more views.
If then they will tell you, okay, if then they will say, for example, the angle yet, because everything that you yenzayo, angithi uyenza with the purpose. Everything that you yenzayo, awudano wenze nje. I get if we so criticize umuntu nje uvudana wathatha into wenza without a purpose. But umuntu ngicabanga ukuthi wenza with a purpose angamlanda but then azophorisha, but then also it's a very dangerous game.
Hayi.
Mfundisi.
It's a very dangerous game, but I'm saying ukuthi the angle might work.
Mfundisi ngifuna ukuthini? Why did we take our children to school to study human behavioral sciences singayisebenzisi to heal other kids?
Okay.
Yeah. Ngizama ukuthi ulanda umfana weKwaito, ulanda a local teacher odla ama drugs. Uthazonisha ingane ngama drugs.
Yeah.
What you are creating, let me tell you something shocking, Mfundisi.
Yeah.
By doing that you are creating a drug cycle. Ingane edla ama drug izocabanga ukuthi okay, should vele ngoba DJ nami ngodla ama drugs but
so you are creating a freeway from a path.
Yeah. Nokuthi lo DJ, if he can be taken back by abantu ade basebenzela and peddling drugs, they'll give an access to the school. No, wena khuluma no principal umbambise la uqhubeka ukhuluma ngezekole and identify potential customers. Exactly. So but by bringing in ingane engawasebenzisi but eyaziyo ububi bayo because he has worked in facilities la abantu begula and has seen how these people suffer, Mfundisi, then you are moving away from the scourge. We are with purification, which I'm sure I'm from in your Bible. That's what it preaches. You can't use the scourge to solve a purified problem. You move to purity so that you can be able to overcome the scourge, because the examples are two. Don't fall into the trap of which in every evil there's a measure of good. Yes, but try and use purified hygienic thoughts to create a hygienic and thoughtful environment.
So what are you saying is basically the teachers in the church should be more purified.
Ngingajabula mfundisi uma umuntu ongcwele phambi kwethu. Yabona namhlanje akasathi asikhuluma ngama church fathers.
Yeah.
Umfundisi ngake ngenze show
Is anyone holy in this world?
No, undaba enhle kuphela holy, other people are not holy. Umfundisi bathaba sake senze show.
Yeah.
Where we examine church fathers. And my conclusion was the majority of church fathers were sexual perverts. There is evident in their history material. They were misogynist. But
even in the Bible, there's no perfection.
And ngithi mina le behavior yama church fathers yini siyibone manje in the present day era.
Why?
Mhlawumbe njalo uba kwabantu aba different abasonishayo, not ama social perverts or St. Jerome or St. Artemadore. Ngabe sikhuluma ngenye into.
Okay, where were the perfect people?
That's the thing
at that time.
Akekho umuntu perfect kodwa
we are all wired to be
umuntu
perfect.
osinyanyayo isono.
Yeah.
Awele sonweni kodwa isono into angayithandi, bese kuba khona umuntu osithandayo isono. Lo ofundisa ukuthi imithetho ayikho siyabethelwa, free for all, vele into yakhe le akayifuni into ezoloko ukuthi kubanjelele emthethweni ngoba uyazazi yena ukuthi izinto zizobuya amakholwa eloko ezoyikhomba ke kuthiwa nangi nje nomfundisi uyazenza, so akwele kuthi umthetho awukho, be free, ayakwenziwa isinoma kanjani. Yo bahlukene ke la khona umuntu ongenama morals. Awekho nje straight kodwa umile lapho uthi umfundisi. Ibona ke laba abasontisa abantu abafike kulento bayenza ibhizinisi bazoqola abantu
ba create relationism.
Yes, but create ake isonto kuzosontwa abantu bazenzela imali, abantu babambe yilabo umyaza kade ekhuluma ngabathi umuntu ukasonto 20 years. Kwimathi iqwebu hey sazadlala usikhotheni. Imayisebona after yabo eselimele baningi bayalimala uhlale bakhanselishe abantu besimame uselinyazo umfundisi
religious trauma
religious trauma urapile ummithisile wamshi baningi igebengu eziphakathi la eyisonto abantu ngegama lenkonzo ngobani leyanto yakhelweni ukuzocindezela abantu njengoba bengisho ukuthi abantu bangavuki nobiyaza kade kujo ukuthi bangavuki ukuze ba control kalula bezwe wena. It's not about ngithe ihlukile lento nale kade engithi mina ngayibona kaIsrael ukuthi umphakathi wabantu abakholwayo ake ngiyikhuluma ngoba ngiloko nqene ukuyikhuluma. Ushebo wafika wayenza lento la akuphakathi wathenga ama plaza ayinqwaba uhambe emhlabeni owning 42 wama plaza.
Yes,
42 plus wama plaza wayakha everywhere like on abe ne plaza abe kumphakathi wamakholo, and they worked. Yama plaza they produced benza imali. Ama plaza athenga izitolo, athenga zona amathiro mabelu, wathenga izitolo, wathenga amabhasi yabo ukuze labantu laba kufanele banikele futhi bayahola futhi la babuye bathathe a portion banikele ngayo back akhi izindlu ahlathi is that ilokhuza a movement kaNkuluNkulu is that not isonto liyakubulala liyacindezela street last week sathi lika likufaka ama activities azokwenza ukuthi ungakwazi ukucabanga.
Yes,
it's Bible study, it's church choir, is this and that, senza ukuthi the whole week ikuvalele la lento is sort of a cult. Ayifuni uphume ngoba ayifuni ucabange ngoba once wacabanga uzovuka yabo. So ila na scientists like kuthiwa umuntu na infinite brain cells mayizale ekhanda. Ma brain cells maningi kakhulu abalwa ngazi noma ma trillion nama brain cells. Lento ekuthiwa mawuphuza a glass of beer ngazi ibulala ama brain cells amanga they never grow back but umzimba nje obukhulu kunama brain cells futhi kade usho ngani ngalento yokushintsha kwesimo ukuthi they don't want abafuni ukuhambisana nesimo sokushintsha komhlaba sikhathi kushintsha kufika o-AI manje kufika it ingqondo izokunikeza amanye ama brain cells understand lento yabo AI yinhle yimbi kodwa moyisebenzisa ngengqondo ayibulali kodwa umuntu ingqondo yakhe efile ama brain cells azasebenzi kahle AI izombulala ngobani ibulala icreativity umuntu oyivila yonke into uzoyijikela ku-AI akasafundi akasenzini wenzelwa i-AI uyabona lo muntu i-AI mayingekho akakwazi ukucabanga
isithemba lakhe
isimbulela ingqondo akazi ukucabanga mamphuci i-AI akakwazi kwenza lutho yabo kodwa omunye AI ya enhancer lokho anakho imnikeza amanye ama ideas asebenzisa ama brain cells so ingqondo ke yomuntu ke uma esontwa lapha evalelwe esontweni kunama brain cells innovation creativity twayahlala lama brain cells after 10 days mayibone engasetshenziswa yafa so no sihleli la lo muntu simnikeza creativity ilabantu kade sikhuluma ngeprocrastination last week
yes
iyafika le idea ekhanda kodwa manje ukuyenza kwenzeki ikhona ekhanda izohlala izishabalala ekhanda because akayenzi ubulawa yini isonto ngoba lithe thandaza enza ukuthi alimfaki kwispace sokuthi abe creative bese yava ama brain cells agcina umuntu ehlupheka kodwa unengqondo bese uyayibuza ukuthi laba abanye why lezi zinye izizwe zisucceed ngoba siyafana nabo banengqondo nathi sinengqondo no wena ubulawe kusonto kwacindezela.
This is powerful Thabo as part of therapy ke uthi umuntu mangibona there is an indication of dead brain cells ngithi mina akenze ukuthi ngimnikeze iphepha blank bese ngimnikeze any book bese ngithi ubhala ngasiphi isandla uthotha ubhala ngo right then I'll give him to write with as a stock ngithi akabhale nje ngo left brain. What am I trying to do lapho? I'm trying to activate lama cells uThabo akhuluma ngawo in the brain that are no longer functioning well because they've been laid to waste. Into engisaba ngereligion yenza leyonto yenza ukuthi ungabi dexterous and ambidextrous. You know that ngoba a human brain is supposed to be ambidextrous. Now go wrong ungasekho ambidextrous uzoba dexterous because it means there's a portion of your brain that is going to totally dysfunction. Now this is what is going to happen. You'll begin to present with ama religious psychosis. I guess it's some symptoms tap. Most is along. Mhlambe fanele silinguza ama religious symptoms. One of them is paranoia. Abakho abantu abane psychosis ku religion nje abantu abaparanoid bese kuba uperforma ama religious excessive rituals e religion uthola ukuthi for the better 30 minutes akusonto akufundwazwe kusakhitshena nama rituals you know and time is being wasted. The unshakable belief information onayo which is not verified and untested say psychosis ndelo leyo mfundisi ukube ama grandiose beliefs njengalabantu abaqala le grandiose belief ukuthi ngoSeptember kuzoba yini irapture bathe kune rapture ngoSeptember mfundisi kanti buke wena
hayi irapture isuka phi manje okay qhubeka
bese kuba ukudraw from social life withdraw from social life again ngoba kuthiwa abantu bayisona ungahambi nabangani uzongena esihokweni then bese kuba now here is a religious uThabo akhuluma ngayo extreme response to religious topics, extreme emotional response to religious topics. Uyabo ulwe ukhale udube bese uyabazonda abantu. That is psychosis.
Alright, kumsakazo kwamba phambili nanda 88.4 FM today's best radio. Alright ke ngifisa ukuthi mesibuya in the last hour babumyeza mhlawumbe usithathe usibeke ukuthi ke na how do we get to a part whereby la khona madod la khona siba right khona.
Okay, imali mfundisi sizofika lapho.
Yeah.
Kodwa ngocela sisheshe sidlule kephi ku religious mental illness.
All right.
Yeah.
Nangu samajobe.
Zinanda 88.4 FM Signikulwazi neqiniso.
Right, umsakazo kwamba phambili Nanda 88.4 FM at today's base radio coming to you live from Nanda Community City Center. Right, this is the last hour and the third hour. Umsakazo kwamba phambili Nanda 88.4 FM today's base radio lapho hlelo sithi nje asilungiseni khona la umsakazo Nanda 88.4 FM today's base radio. Yabona kuningi ke sikufundile namhlanje. Sifundile ukuthi kukhona ke ama neurodivergent ama neurotypical safunda ukuthi kukhona futhi ke abakholwayo nabasontayo safunda ukuthi ke kuneyindawo la khona sithi khona ke ama pay as you pray uyabona kuningi safunda ukuthi there's a difference between even umqondo the mind and the brain. There's a lot that sakukha namhlanje and it's a big and there's an outcry for holier representative of the Holy One.
Hayi ngiyacela impela lapho ngiyinxusa ngoba manje uyazi indaba ukuthi
you can't be represented. You can't represent a certain brand ubugqoke iskipa of another brand. That's hypocrisy.
You are asking Ubaba Umyeza to come and talk about cheating.
And talk about
cheating esontweni.
Okay, yes, we can.
Ujwana namakhosikazi abantu.
No. We can.
How do you angenza example la how do you do that? Baba Umyeza ujwana namakhosikazi abantu kodwa ukuthi azo iyala abantu. Angithi spiritually you are a reflection of your pastor. You are as good as your pastor. So almost omisa umfundisi ongcolile ozo spread the gospel okungcola la kunini. Wemfundisi can you treat psychosis? Yes, through CBT, cognitive behavior therapy. Angaze ngibone umkhuleko wazi ukutreat ilokuze i-religious psychosis ne-religious trauma. Inkinga, an untreated episode of psychosis mfundisi can result in what is known as structural damage due to neurotoxicity in the brain itself.
You just said you are as good as your pastor. So who are we healing first? Are we not supposed to heal pastors first?
Fanele kuphile bona vele. Wemfundisi ubakubheke abanye befundisi bamanje about these young handsome good looking shark skin dressing up pastors by dealing anemasontweni. And to the point that
I'm one of those young ones, but I need a deal. I'm married, by the way.
Sebaze baba ne entourage around them. Eba protectayo. And the entourage yabo nayo iyona siba organizela ngoba nje iyamprotect umfundisi akufanele abonakale egudla nengane beachfront. So ngizama ukuthi we are creating ama church cartels. It never occurred to me ukuthi soba nama church cartels manje. Thabo, we are having church cartels. So what is going to happen when we've got so many church cartels? These religious cartels also breed a crime within the church center itself, already, which has started to happen. That is why umfundisi waseGoli udutshuliwe abantu abangaziwa engena nje gate-ini driver imoto yohlobo lwaseJalimani. Okay, he's driving a German car. He's got a mega church, but umuya emuva imali ay collector lapha does not allow him to drive a 4 million rand car. Yes, there is money, but how did he procure this car? Yini kungaveli ibhili yale motor straightforward. A good investigator starts seeing a red flag there. and imag investigator bese bethi siyazi ukuthi umfundisi ushonile ma kepha besicela uko investigate mhlawumbe ngenza ukuthi umkhubusekayo uma anqabe alwe athi ngishonelwe nyang investigator bese ukuthi entourage akiphuthume iyoyabula isefo iyosibeka kwenye indawo ebese thuma the elders in the church station commander have agreed to ukuthi nizenzo search kade somebody is surface na 30 million you know iphela investigation asibuye suma and thrive ebese qoma la probably aqome one of the guys who eliminated umfundisi you know, so that is the new cartel that we are creating within the church structure. In abantu abaningi esontweni banama mental health issues. Naturally isonto ligcwele igebengu, ama rapists, ama fornicators, ama liars, ama psychopaths, ama narcissists, personality disorders, Machiavellians. That is the church. Labo bantu mfundisi, they need a good leader with a sound doctrine and at least with cognitive spaces sakhe kube khona guidance kaMoya Ingcwele.
How do we get that leader?
As recently I once saw ilokuza video ka Pastor Musa Son. What to Bishop la kuleli sonto that we have worked so hard. First, I chose to be in love with one woman. I've never cheated on her, and I'm not going to allow any of my pastors to cheat. Once you cheat, Baba, you're out. The previous one, umoya ingcwele wehlela kuyena. Wathi la enkonzweni namhlanje, God spoke to me before I came here. Wakhomba on the right, angithi sestation. Wathi on the right kunenkabi la phephethe isibhamu. This week ukhona into yombulala. This week when ukhokhe ukuthi yobulala umuntu sicela uza ke sicela uza and siyakunxusa and bazalwane please pray for him ukuthi uNkulunkulu amhile ungezi manje uyoza Nicodemusly then sokhuluma sikukhulekisa. How did you get to know that? Because God pointed the energy that is called God, the vibration picked it up. Abaseka befundisa banjalo. Abefundisi bethu are led by FNB and ABSA and Standard Bank. They're not led by the Holy Spirit anymore. Ngani na, we are talking church entrepreneurship, religious entrepreneurship. The Holy Spirit has evaded and has left the church. Yeah. Even nama tongues say joke. We fix up my tongues. Oh, Pedro's, Nando's, Chicken Licken. Hey, Rabashabatata, Sanlam, Pick and Pay.
Yeah, I also advertise about it.
Yeah, you see, that's the thing. What has happened to sound doctrine?
Yeah.
Our doctrines, I for one, I don't care for doctrines. I'm full of what there was since because I figure aim for the son is Gamkalwendela, Uma Upiznelo Kuzanama doctrine. So all these churches, Anum Kadwendela, Yeshua and Joseph, but Abailandeli Mfundisoyak. That is why there is first it was an onset of religious psychosis. Bese kuba khona into enjengalena. Kwesinye isikhathi umfundisi konke fanele sibheke ngiye ngithi mina there is nothing wrong with African spirituality. I-African spirituality is not a religion. Ake ngichaze indlela abantu abaphila ngayo abazibuka ngayo psychologically, culturally, ethnically and then communally. Izinto abazenzayo inkoyela abazenzayo bese kuthi ubungoma is just a fraction, a smaller fraction of the African spirituality. Akusho ukuthi ubungoma the entire African spirituality is composed of ubungoma. Ubungoma is just a fraction. You know, by the way, enye into sakhuluma noThabo kodwa sakungakwazi ukuemphasize engifuna ukuemphasize manje angithi wa healing i-psychosis. Uyabona mfundisi every religion has mysticism. Every religion has mysticism. So is African spirituality.
What is mysticism?
Again, class. Uyabona kuthiwa ke kwakhona uHeru noHorus noBantaba. Heru, ISIS. It's not that those people lived. Imizekelo ekunikeza i-probability of the African origins of mankind.
Yeah.
Njengoba ikhona
nasebhayibhelini. Akusho ukuthi uEva wakhuluma nenyoka. You know that. So those are metaphors.
Yeah.
Yeah, uJob never lived. Akekho umuntu owayiphila ukuthi uJob.
Yeah,
that's a metaphor.
Yeah.
Akekho umuntu wagunya inhlanzi wahlala 3 days. That's a metaphor. Nalana ke ku-African spiritual esinamnandi kanjani ama metaphor. Beautiful metaphors. Kodwa manje abantu bagcina sebenza ama metaphors as if i-belief system. Now Christianity you have ama metaphors.
No, amaningi kakhulu.
Mani and ama allegories. Bavene babathathe bawenze ababasic belief yabo kanti kwakukhombisa kwakuzibonelo ezinhle isound. So ngizama ukuthi ke uma umuntu ene obsession with ama rituals religious psychosis, umuntu obsessed mysticism of religion religious psychosis, and sigade neurotoxicity bakwethu. We need to treat abantu abane religious psychosis, otherwise this is going to cause untold damage to Christianity. I don't understand. It's August. Ingane ebhala grade 12 ngo October 13 this year, the beginning of our exam, isalelwe 2 weeks ka September. No, isalelwe October only 4 weeks. No, 2 weeks. Aspaleke 4, 5, 6. 6 weeks before Kalama exam. Got you suppose
and expect to pass.
Now, bazosuka befundisi bakhona. Lalelaki. Bayangena ke manje ekoleni bekhokhelwe, by the way, is SGB. Bayothandazela ingane ipass, no, forget it. The child would get what he deserves. Yabona nje kumanje ehlele lokishini kade ngalalanga kusukela izolo ephethe ibhodlela lesavana. That's what he's going to write in the exam.
It's even wrong to pray ukuthandazela ukupass lokho nje in any level. It's even wrong, but you can pray ukuthi umdali akuphe amandla akuphe newisdom yokukhumbula lokho wena ukufundile.
Mfundisi, I always warn abazalwane, don't pray for things that you can do for yourself. Don't pray for things that you can do for yourself. Simple as that.
Okay.
Yeah. Ziningabi izinto thina abazalwane esikwazi ukuzenzela. Akwazi ukuthandazela ukufunda kuyobhaka, go to a baking school. Simple as that. Yeah. So ngizama ukuthi that is the problem nge-psychosis. It created dependence. It created a psychosis itself. It created a self-deprecation. Ukuzinyanya ukuzonda ungayithembi ukuthi akwazi ukwenza lutho. It creates a pseudo-bulbar effect. Uhlala ukhala ungazi ukhaliswa yini. And it creates all sorts of psychological and psychosomatic disorders. That is the problem nge-religious psychosis. Bese kuthiwa uhlaselwe ay. Mfundisi, say it's common sense. Udla kabi because we are languishing on a depression. Amadoritos, inyama ebilisiwe, idombolo, uphaya in one day. Now, by the time kushaya 4, 5, 6, you are suffering from severe indigestion. Ubusu alala. So ngesikhathi ulele, i-digestion tabo is trying to align itself. Uzophupha kabi. Uzophupha kabi mfundisi. Ubusu yaqala kuhamba usitshela amaphupho la kanti it's because of bad eating habits.
Yeah.
So ngizama ukuthi ke mfundisi, we need to heal abefundisi siqale phezulu the top.
Yes, that's what
Abefundisi kufanele babe nama seminar time and again. Ama seminar to upgrade their way of thinking, biblical interpretation. Ama seminar ke befike bephethe ama report.
Are we not too late if we
are too late?
Maybe if including nayo psychosis yabo
yeah sisheke ne-psychosis because
mabethanda uNkulunkulu labo bangayenza lento phela ukhumbula ukuthi bahlukene labo khona beze nje purely for business laba abathanda uNkulunkulu yeah badinga bakhona bahlala be-upgrade
exactly kuya ngokuthi umdali bamthanda kodwa maybe ngamthanda umfundisi they're not gonna get into the groove.
Yabona there are kukhona umuntu okhule ekhaya angisibonele okhule ekhaya kuthakatho and then waze azi ukuthi yona lempilo this is the lifestyle ngamanye amazwi ile njoba kadusho nje ukuthi uthi be monetary ufuna nginikelelwe ile yonto ayaziyo but namhlanje useza ukuthi kahle there's another la kahle ngisehlathini where do I start?
Umfundisi abantu abaningi masuna kusise today they are deconstructing Christianity. Angba blame akusho ukuthi soba lose nomphela no that deconstructing ngiyaba encourage they must deconstruct because bazama ukubona ukuthi kwenziwa yini ukuthi ngibelieve izinto engenangqondo kanjani. What was the reason for this psychosis esenginayo? You see bayabagule ngaphakathi esontweni umuntu agcina seno diabetes no asthma no heart disease caused by a combination of factors mfundisi inherited genetic factors and external environment. That external environment is izinto ezihame ngaphakathi esontweni.
Alright, umsakazo kwamba phambili nanda 88.4 FM Today Space Radio ngicela ukudonsa nje la kuma voice note mfundisi.
So let's do the baba. Very interesting topic, but I see Lokozan without putting blame kakhulukazi kubantu the masses. This psychosis is Lokozan imbangela yayo i-structures this at play as it says at play because mubuka umuntu esemdala ngeke umblame umuntu ofakwe kule system nale Lokozan SN05 waba where ya instill wa indoctrinate ngalento le oqale ko Sunday school wakhula ngalo nje sonto all life yakhe yabo so lento ilukifawa and ifakwa lento even if ibuye ubiyena nezinto ayifundayo nekhuzane nokukhula kwakhe agcine seyibona but ngoba ilokhuzane isonto limsonto umqondo to the point nenhliziyo nokuyibonela kwakhe to the point yokuthi akholwe lokho okushiwoyo without reasoning ugcina eseyilokhuzana eseyimvu nje elokhwana elandela konke yenza konke kwenziwe lonto ingakho begcina sebeprone ukuthi begcina sebedlala lezi ikhohlakali zalaba abafundisi babo abeze ngama agenda ukuthi bafuna ukutomula utho ngabo bafuna ukuceba ngabo noma bafuna ukuthi babe ama puppets isizini ngabo labantu abasuke belapha ebandleni so ilokhuzane how do we then heal these minds of these people yabo so mina the only way I think we can heal this psychosis ukuthi get rid of these structures and ayikho indlela esingasi is a true way esengalokhuzana engiyibonayo I mean it's a real way we can heal people or esingathi it's a right way so yokufaka inkolo kubantu nasenene ngoba egcineni kukhona lana abantu ababa abuse khona nale begcina sebelimaza yakhona ngokomqondo ngoba kuyimanje kukhona abasemasontweni kodwa uthola ukuthi ushiya ingane ilambile but uyakwazi ukuhambisa umnikelo uyakwazi ukunikeza whatever fund lekufuneka ahleze khona bahleze uphahla lo akufuna kwenza uphahla uhleze khona imali ifuneka ukuthi bayikhokhe ungathothi unemali ahleze angaphothu kuyilesa yabo as a gift kulomfundisi kodwa uthola ukuthi ingane yakhe ulokhuzana ongancamela ukuthi ilambe noma bangabe nalutho endlini so abantu they really need to look within themselves bayinuke bona amakhwapha bakwazi ukulibona isonto for what it really is ukuthi selibalimaze kangakanani and get back to themselves and heal themselves and their families and their generations that are about to come over. That's already giving birth to.
88.4 FM. When we return, more of the music you love.
0687649969 0687649969 is our WhatsApp line lapho khona ke sizoba sidonsa khona lapha na ku WhatsApp na ufuna ukuphawula kodaba esikhuluma ngalo namhlanje psychosis religious psychosis lokho esikhuluma ngakho namhlanje ke sibadoze lapha ku WhatsApp.
Ngibingelele emsakazweni. Ngibongina ngethuba lolu hlelo luyingqayizivele. No man. Azi lento lena awuyazi ukuthi uyayiqala ngaphi. Ngicabanga inkulumo kaBaba Sambothi mayikhuluma ngendaba yokubusa leli ivangeli lokuthi umuntu uzobusa ezulwini thandaza. Angazi yazi ukuthandaza kubalekile futhi ngiyakwenza futhi into kufanele yenziwe vele kodwa ivangeli elishunyayelwayo limoshe kakhulu umuntu. Ngiyakhumbula ngike ngaba ingxenye kwelinye lamasonto nje back then einsukwini ngizahamba kulento le yamasonto. Lakho ningabuza khona abanye abafowethu ababeyiphuzela nje utshwala ezinormal mangabe ukuthi izikhathi zokujabula ngamasonto futhi bagqoke balungele ukuya emasontweni babukeke bengaba ngcwele ngizosho njalo because kimi ngokuya kwami esontweni ngangilindele ukuthi ngizofika ngifice ubungcwele. Angeke kukhona abanye abantu abayibethu ungakunaka ukuthi abanye abantu benzani singakhohlisani. Awukwazi ukuthi ufice abantu phela abawethu ngabe sike sihambe siye kulabo sisabalokhuzayo abahwebayo sifike silokhuze nabo sidumise nabo. Umuntu maye sendaweni ethile ulindele ukuthi abehave ngokwaleyo ndawo leyo umfice kuyo kushuthi uyayikhethela wena ukuthi ufuna ukuba kuphi. So ngathi mangibuza laba bafowethu ukuthi kwenza kanjani ukuthi niphuze utshwala niphinde nilokhuze nithi futhi nikhulume ngalendlela nikhuluma ngayo masenisesontweni bathi hayi akufani phela wena uhlanganisa kwenyama nokukamoya. Leli vangeli limhlukanisile umuntu kamoya nomuntu wenyama. Ngiqonda ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani abantu bacabanga ukuthi yenzeka kanjani lento ukuthi ungafika ezulwini because laba abantu ibona abantu futhi abacurious ngokuthi ezulwini sibekelwe imivuzo emihle. Awukwazi ukubekelwa imivuzo emihle kufana nokusuka la usuke eThekwini mhlawumbe ufuna ukuya eGoli ungenayo ngisho imali yokuya khona but wena ufuna ucabanga ukuthi uzofika eGoli uphile kahle like awunayo accommodation eGoli awunayo noma ikuphi la uyakhona ulungiselela usenganene ukuze ufike lapho yakhona ufike ukulungela ukuba khona. But leli vangeli leli ubhuti uThaba yewahlaba kulo lokuthi abantu bazobusa elimoshe kakhulu. Yazi lento ye-religion liyenza beyijoke liyenzathi umuntu angazi usuke kanjani ubonke yaze kuyadlalwa kulento le. Ikakhulukazi usubuka namanye amaqiniso enyenawe embula ke kulolu hlelo usubuka nezinto eziningi ne whole plan ukuthi lento yayiplanwe kanjani but abantu linawo khona abantu abangayiboni yonke leyo nto leyo. Awukwazi ukuthi ungalindela ukuthi ezulwini khona into ozoyithola ungenayo indlela eqondile enhle nelungileyo nefanelekileyo engesona isilengise ebusweni bukaNkulunkulu. Ungancikile embhalweni mhlambe eBhayibheli ngizosho njalo ngoba inalo iqiniso ngeke ngalishaya indiva ngalinaki because beshunyayelwa kakhulu ngalo but abantu abalishumayelayo bengaliphili but after ngiye ngancika kulolu hlelo ngaye ngabona yazi ngiyiRobe okuningi la nginganaka kahle iBhayibheli alinayo inkinga. Abantu abanenkinga yilabo abantu abafundela iBhayibheli ukulishumayela instead of ukulifundela ukuthi bathole ulwazi nenjula nokweinkambiso kaNkulunkulu elotshiwe kulo. Angibonge ngingaluli kakhulu ngokhaya ngokwantombela.
Ngibingelele lapho kubasakazi beNanda FM umsokozisilewa kaMsomi ngisostophethe ngokuhlala. Cha ake ngibonge nje lapha estudio ukuthi egcineni izwi belithindwe le ndaba ngoba kade vele saba nenkinga yokuthi sidlale labantu abenza lento yale system yamasonto ye-religion ngenhloso yokuthi bathuthukise abacindezeli bese besebenzisa izwi elicreatiwe lithathelwa ey'ndabeni ey'ningi ey'ndala zembuso eminingi yake yabakhona. Abefundisi-ke mina ngeke ngibabize ngokuthi ama-system forward ngoba vele babantu abanjalo abavumi ukuthi sibaquestion izinto abavuma ukuthi siliquestione kwaleli Bible lakhona abaliphethe so nje shayana impela nje bafowethu lapha e-studio mdedele nje isibaxo impela ukuze kuzovuleka kukhanye kwabaningi siyabonga
Ngibingelele ngisemhlabeni waseToni ngwakamfukende Ox angibonge kakhulu ethathu ukwenza istory sibe sifishane la ngithanda lento la uyiqala khona damawuthi inkolo ayifikanga nabelungu leAfrika inkolo abantu abamnyama bayayazi bayakwazi ukuxhumana noNkulunkulu even yonke lento eyiphambano zithathelwe la kuthina lokho okunikezwe thina indlu emnyama kwase kuphanjaniswa nalokho kade vele thina siyikona so lokho kwenzeke emabandleni manje akukona iqiniso so uma nichaza lento nicacisa I'm always questioning ukuthi uma ngabe kuthiwa thina umbuso wethu usezulwini yini esizoyenza ke la emhlabeni kusho ukuthi lo nkulunkulu wethu ke thina othe la emhlabeni kumele sihlushwe abantu abamhlophe siyoceba ezulwini uyagula kwayena lo nkulunkulu ubesilethelani le emhlabeni if bengamletha la kumina mina ngeke ngiqondane nje naye lo nkulunkulu othe sizela emhlabeni kumele thina sibe ziqela sihlupheke ngiyaniketha yangithinta ke lento ukuthi abantwana bakwaIsrael la uthi khona banezindlela banamafemi abo banendlela bese behola kune salary ekhandiwe nje ukuthi wonke umuntu uzohola lento ingena la eBhayibhelini bawufunda njena kwabaThesalonika boqala chapter 4 ake ngisho ngesingisi ngale nje lebhalwe ngayo make it your ambition to mind your own business and so that you and work hard with your hands so that you may win the respect of outsiders and so that you shall not be dependent to anybody so yibi ibandla la eSouth Africa elifundisa abantu ukusebenza ngezandla akho ngisho nelilodwa ibandla la okathiwa nakho bakhande into ethile la ebandleni lezi ngane ezifundile eziphuma koCuba koDubai ngobani bani hlezi kubalo ukuthi uhulumeni bahambise akhona yodwa ekholwayo ukuthiwa icreate into ethile from his or her mind so yabo lenkolo le yethu thina abafundisi bafundisa ukuthi mawunosizi khululeka wena nje uNkulunkulu uzokubusisa nje ekuvukeni kwabafileyo ayikho yonke nje leyo nto bese ngizothanda le I remember ngo2011 sikhuluma lento ukuthi umuntu uzalwa engenayo inqondo uzalwa enobuchopho ase sithu umuntu utshalwa asina kelelo analiboko inqondo uyayifakelwa umuntu ophilayo lena ke efakela ukuthina nje nezikolweni kathina nasemabandleni umuntu ufundiswa inqondo uma kuthiwa mama baba bese kuthiwa hamba na bayi kanjalo ngicela ukuyivala ke khona lapho ka God bless you
God bless you Mfukenge ukuthula makube nani ohlelweni esilungisene ngicela ukubuza kubaba uNdabe ukuthi ke uma sikhuleka kumdali yipi ke image kufanele ke sibe nayo engqondweni yethu ehlezi into ehlezi ngihlupha lento yesithombe sikamdali ngoba ke ngicabange ukuthi ke iningi lamaKristu liba nesithombe sika Jesu lesi ke esijwayelekile esisengqondweni emakhaya nasezindlini zasemasontweni oBuddha no Krishna uthi ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi ke what should be in the mind when we pray ngiyabonga uDlamini sibalikhulu
if you are made in the image of God you must have the mind you must have your own image
yes
yeah and if you are made in the image of God
yeah
Muthandazaga have your own image that's the most correct image you can ever have because you are created in his image
sibusiso Dlamini ke loyo ke sambothi khona lapho
uthi Ahmed Didat the moment you have an image of God ubokwazi that's not God
yebo
yeah
once the one imagine wamanje sumakhili ilento ke hlele eshuthi malade isho nakhona manje ukuthi usuyamakha lo nkulunkulu uzoba ne behavior ethile yabo usumnikeza
cognitive ithacabanga abuke izinto ngeworld view yakho angabuki izinto realistically and that ceases to be God. We're supposed to be in a state of no mind mastanders but ngenxa ukuthi umuntu weak ufunda azobambela ngize the least you can think of the moon, the stars and the sea. Yes, that's the yeah ungathatha usiza report yombeke emqondweni wakhe. For this, before we take another one, did Jesus have a psychosis?
I don't know.
You don't know because Moses was in a mood disorder. Yeah, mood disorder. Yeah, why not?
He had anger issues. Yes,
and anger issues, and he was a narcissist.
All right, somebody.
Ku Facebook.
Yeah.
Funda lapho.
Ubalo siyabonga xolo uthi molweni studio. I bengizithola nginencindezi enkulu ngokuba sesontweni bekukuningi kakhulu uvika abahlebayo umnikelo ipolitiki yonke into yasenkonzweni engathatha isinqumo soku focus kimi qondo wamathi ukuqaqeka and ngagcina sengithi shuthi sengiyobuyela senginemali senginesikhathi sokukhonza njalo ngoba hayi uvela uthathiswa komuntu oyisoni bangakwenzi uma ungakwenzi kusho ukunikela nayo yonke lento uthi akafane nalo wa last week lo wayikhala ngomngani wakhe yena ukukhala ngayo uqobo uthi awugcina wabona uthi akahlehla ngoba lento imgqilaza ingqondo phila nshinga uthi religion teaches people most Africans to escape reality and create fear. Inkolo yenza ucabanga ukuthi uzitshele ukuthi okwenzakalayo manje kungenxa kaMdali kanti kusobala ukuthi kunesandla esimbe ekutheni kube nje emhlabeni okwethu thina abantu ukuthi sizibuza ukuthi yini asenza sibe nje thina abantu abansundu. God created us on earth to create heaven, but religion taught us to look for heaven or hell after death. Ngiyabonga. Sandile Khuzwayo uthi ngibingelele studio methulo ohlelo ubaba umfundisi ubaba uNdabenhle uButhabo Sambothi no Sonkinopho nabalaleli ekhaya kumsakaze ongungqa phambili Nanda FM noma sekuyisikhathi ngagcina ukulalela nokungena kumsakazo engakubalula nje ukuthi abantu abazifunisise bazithole ngoba thina uqobo lwethu singonkulunkulu ngenxa yezinto esikwazi ukuzenza nokuzimela kepha ngenxa yamacwabantswane abelumbi ngoba kuthiwa amacwabantswane elinye igama
uqinisile amacwabantswane ngempela abelumbi namagama amaningi
nje labacwabantswane siyazi ngabaza nangenxa yokweswela ulwazi. Mina ngithi ngokwama ake sijule sizifunisise kwangempela siyisizwe sabangoni ngoba uma singaboni siyophapha masekonakele kakhulu kunakuqala. Ngithi azibuye emasisweni sibonge ngohlelo lukaSilungiseni olisivula amehlo. Ngithi phambili ngeNanda FM ngithi phambili Sandile Sidula Khuzwayo endaweni yasebhekulwandle emanzi Mtoti. Isikhumbuzo skills ngubane uthi buningi ubuhlanye othi mubakhombisa kuthiwa you are possessed by demons kwasona leso soko they are afraid of is going to make no sense. So buyisiqhubekeke kodwa ke nje uyasho ukuthi it creates fear. Abalaleli ngibona bonke beshintshe odutsha seyifuni awuqhubeke lapho umfundisi.
Alright, ke umsakazo wakho maphambili Nanda 88.4 FM today's base radio. Ngicabanga ukuthi
ngidile mina la mangakuthi akukhulu utho kwena ngizoqhubeka.
Awuqhubeke lapho.
Mhlanhla Buthelezi asilungiseni ishubila namhlanje. Mina ngazi ukuthi lathi izwe asihloniphe sidumise thina sesiyahlaziya ubani wathi asifunde sihlaziye umdali. Theo means God, Log means study. Ubani owazi umdali akekho. How do you study something you don't know? What is religion and what is belief? What is faith? Kunzima kwela kithi kungcono ukube sikhuluma ngetheosophy kuno theology.
Akahamba ayofunda yena about himself. akaqale yena afunde about himself lo serious umfundisi he needs to study himself. So he has got very dangerous limitation. Uyelana esibhedlela. Why does he go to hospital if he's sick? Why does he eat? Yeah. If you could answer me in those, then we can start having a chat.
Yeah. Owenene uthi umuntu uyakhula ekuqondeni izinto la. Ngingowayedla amaphilisi ebipolar ngawayeka sengi chronic. Ngawayeka sengi chronic. Engikhuluphalisa engindwazisa ngayeka ngabhekana necognitive dissonance. Ngaba nezami izimpondilo ngiyaphila njengamanje.
Exactly. Waqala kwi cognitive dissonance, image wa identify what had gone wrong with him, and then the answer started to manifest, and then you're saying about the transition.
Usho uphendula ke laba abalalela abathi abase aseyifune thina uyasho uthena wayifuna wayithola.
Yeah.
Yo akubalekile ukuthi elento zene uzazi ukuthi ungubani. Cela sidonse le noma sizoyilentuza nje ngoba into kakhulu.
Ngilele kumfundisi bakumnyeza kubuthapha khuluma nontombi uGeli bila inenga.
Akuzwakala mfundisi.
Mangibheka nje indlela ababuthapha sebesifundise ngayo izinto eziningi nezivulayo ingqondo njengobabesha. Inkolo ngicabanga ukuthi mayifika yafika vele bonakala sebenzile istudy ngokuthi ukucabanga komuntu kuhamba ibanga elingakanani and uze umuntu athubele intando yini into ongaqhamuka nayo umthuse ngayo ngoba indlela iBhayibheli labhalwa ngayo kunezinto eziyifact thina njengabantu abamnyama neziyisintu sethu kodwa ezaguqulwayo zabhalwa izifu ziwubusathane nomenzi wethu ngoba yena lezi zinto ezazenziwa bezimnikeza udumo. Mase kuba ilento yenkolo. Inkolo ilimele kakhulu ngoba vele ibisishintsha indlela yokucabanga. Inkolo i-entertainment funa kubonakala ukuthi unani uqhamuka nani mawukhuleka ungaphenduleki okusho ukuthi awukholwa. Uyabona lento izingene engqondweni yomuntu ukuthi kusho ukuthi angakahambi kahle endleleni yini ingoba umuntu usuke ngaleso sikhathi engenaso i-connection nomdali, engenayo i-connection nemvelo, engenayo i-connection naye uqobo lwakhe ngoba inkolo isuke yasifundisa ukuthi uhlala phansi ulalele loyo muntu akufide. Ayizange inkolo ize nokuthi sihlalise phansi kufundwe kucutshungulwe kubonakale ukuthi indlela yokuthi sifinyelele ekutheni sizazi ukuthi thina as much as sisemhlabeni uqobo lwethu singonkulunkulu. Sengiphetha ngithi umdali wazikhipha yena wazifaka kumuntu. Umuntu wayeseba yithempeli lihambayo. So sihamba emhlabeni sivele sithwele yena ngaphakathi kithi singonkulunkulu ngokwethu. Kodwa ke i-system yalelizwe yafika yazosiphuca lobu bunkulunkulu ukuze ukuthi noma uhamba noma uhleli noma ucabanga uzibone ngathi uyinto engelutho, kube ngathi ayikho into engaqhubekela phambili ngomuntu because ukufike isikhathi kade kushunyayelwa kakhulu before kodwa kwahamba kwafika isikhathi la kukhona so calls abafundisi la abeza nezinto eziphathekayo. Mangikhuluma ngezinto eziphathekayo
alright kumsakazo khamba phambili Nanda 88.4 FM today's best radio siwabeka lapha siswethu lapha na ke eNanda. Alright ke one of the things mfundisi Sambothi abantu abahamba bayosebenza.
Yes.
Abantu umuntu akahamba yosebenza siyakubona unobizo. But hamba yosebenza.
Yeah.
Umusu usebenza funa side hustle. Umusu unayo inye side hustle funa enye side hustle. As many side hustles as you can as a person. Have multiple streams of income. Zimele when. UPaul eBhayibhelini wayezimele. wayakha amatende. The only time la ngithola khona ukuthi uPaul wayisizwa ibandla was when ayeboshiwe, because wayeneyidingo eyithize eboshiwe, then ibandla lasePhilip then lamsiza because there was not,
he was a hustler. Why esangishilo kuza amafutha enyoka? People don't know about that.
Yes, but essentially ukuthi there was no way he could assist himself, then ibandla langenelela lapho phela. Okunye angikwazi.
Ngicela ukufunda la ngoba usulapho umthandazo wokuvuka kwaManazaretha ngizofunda uverse 29 no 30 uShembe uthi uma ungumfundisi uboyifundisa wena ukukhuthana ukuze abantu babonele ukuthi wathi uNkulunkulu akusethe.
Be a good example.
Uma wena mfundisi sewuyinhloko yokuvilapha kubantu, uma wena mfundisi uyinhloko yokuvilapha, awuzuba umthwalo phezulu kwabo na, futhi wena uzophila ngani? Kuzoba ihlazo elingakanani uma wena uhamba ucela ukudla kubantu? Ngifuna lawo mavesi omabili. Wayebatshela abafundisi bakho ukuthi hey kuyasetshenzwa. Qala wena mfundisi futhi abantu ababonele kuwena ukuthi kuyasetshenzwa. So wena sebenza uinspire abantu ukuthi abasebenze. Mawuphila ngokucela wena nabantu bazoba ama-beggars.
Which is what we have esontweni manje.
Yes, we have got a lot of beggars. In fact, abantu abarisha ba esontweni, it's only poor people that go to church.
Yes.
No, if they do go to church, they go to
they
go to smarter churches.
Abayi. Abantu eMonaco alikho isonto. Kunama yacht egcwele lapha nabo. eMonaco alikho isonto egcwele ama yacht. And in America 86% of people don't go to church. People are misled by these mega churches in America. Very few communities go to church. In America there is a lot of cultural diversity. And abantu bakhona they like the American culture. Ngiyakuzubasiza ubathathe away from that culture. And many other places. In fact, this is something amazing. The only people that worship on Sundays in Britain are Christ, Muslim, who are busy buying churches and converting them to mosques. So people go to church because of scarcity of cultural diversion. In poor countries, people fill up the church. But in rich countries, the church are virtually empty.
Poor people for poor doctrine. Okay,
somebody usecela ukuvalelisa talmayivumile ngesonto ezayo sophinde sihlangane futhi.
Okay, 07666 33954. Ngibonga kakhulu ngohlelo namhlanje.
Ngibonga kakhulu umsakazo okhamba phambili inanda 88.4 FM today's best radio. It's been an interesting show. What a show today. What a show today. uNkulunkulu emuhle. By next week sobe sikhona ndawonye umsakazo inanda 88.4 FM today's best radio. Ngiyaphuma manje ngishiya khona lapha ke uHamza ezohlala nawe nje lana no Canon from 12 to 3 khona la umsakazo inanda 88.4 FM today's best radio. Your host today was umfundisi uMfundo wakamthi Mbu. Anengishayila izandla nami ukuthi khona ubafundisa abafundi laba who can make sense of the world. Kanti nami ngithandeke. Umfundisi onganifuni imnikelo oyisebenzelayo. Nakusibusisa sabajobe khona la emsakazweni inanda 88.4 FM.